We are living the life of a Subaru commercial. And they just keep coming. There's no end in sight to this herd of cow. Where is the cowboy? Oh my god, they just keep coming. Look at this. There's more. Oh my god. We're gonna be attacked. There's too many. There's no way to get through this herd.
Here comes something. Yeah, here comes something shuttling them. Here comes the cowboy.
Here comes the cowboys, but the oh, they're in it. Look, he's on a horsey. Uh-oh. Oop, this one's tangled in the... Uh-oh. We got a problem here, Houston. Hey! Oh, look, he's got a dog! This is awesome. The little cow's on my... No, don't get lost. Look at this. Herding dogs are actually herding.
Yeah.